get nervous when something drips, crumbs or splashes while cooking? Do you want to know how to clean a dirty kitchen quickly and effortlessly? Our Kitchen Smart Spray will help you. Look how easy it is to use. Just spray it on the dirty surface. Then wipe with a damp cloth or wash with clean water. Wipe dry and it's ready. By using our spray, your kitchen will be clean and shiny in a few moments without unnecessary effort. What will make it your favorite product in the kitchen? It's suitable for everyday use. It's versatile. Washes great. Makes it slightly shiny. Degreases and neutralizes unpleasant odors. It is fast and effective. It has neutral pH so you can clean even marble. Thanks to the approval of the National Institute of Hygiene, it can be used to clean surfaces in contact with food. Used in accordance with the instructions, it meets the highest safety standards and does not adversely affect health and the environment. And it has beautiful fresh floral and woody fragrance, composed of original French oils. What can you clean it with? All washable surfaces, wooden surfaces, MDF panels, laminated, plastic, and even marble. Together with washing up gel and grease buster, it's a must-have in the kitchen. Discover our functional cosmetics and home cleaning products with unique recipes. They not only work and clean effectively, but also save your time.